You've completed our Foundation Hospitality Supervisor course, and it's time for a refresher. Haven't got another 3 days to spare? By popular demand, we've developed a condensed version for those who have completed the full 3-day course. The Hospitality Supervisor 1-day refresher is an intensive workshop at our training facilities in Melbourne, which reviews the key communication strategies while providing hints, tips and tricks for more effective listening, assertion techniques, senior appraisals, cross-checking strategies, and understanding staff motivation. Remember, the quality and standard of your own leadership communication flows down through your organisation. The more accurate and disciplined your own communication, the easier it is for your staff to perform. We've been training hospitality owners and managers since 1987. Eldred Hospitality.